Good morning, I'm pence, optimisation desk manager here at npower, and welcome to today's market report. Okay, let's start with some headlines then. Gas and power prices starting the day strongly up against last night's close, impacted by a short gas system. News that SSE will be mothballing some gas capacity at the Hornsey site, and also we've got fairly bullish oil this morning, up at around $58 a barrel on the back of Saudi airstrikes in Yemen. That's today's headlines. If you do require more information, please contact us on the email I just provided, but for more information please continue to watch. Okay then, let's get into the detail. So as I said, gas and power prices started the day relatively strongly today. In gas, if you look at the near curve contracts, probably up just under a penny. Power, a little less trading going on as you'd anticipate this time in the morning, but offers up around 75p on last night's close. Really supported by firstly that short gas system. So gas system forecast to close around about 15 MCM tonight, impacted really by lower UK continental shelf flows following an outage at the Baxton site. We've also got reduced LNG output this morning and reduced flows from BBL through the pipeline from Netherlands this morning. So that's just all contributing to give a little bit of tightness, a little bit of support to prices. LNG, again keep an eye on the imports to the UK. Got quite a few outages in Qatar at the moment, which could impact the amount of deliveries we see in the UK over the next couple of weeks. So again, just something to keep an eye on. As I mentioned in the headlines, announcement this morning from SSE, they will be mothballing 33% of capacity at the Hornsey gas site. Now again, with the uncertainty around Rough and the announcement we should get from Centrica today, again it just provides further uncertainty around kind of gas storage levels as we go into next winter. So again, just another item that's adding a little bit of price support out there at the moment. We'll continue to update that as we hear more about Rough and Hornsey throughout today. Okay, let's look at power then. Relatively comfortable power system today, as anticipated yesterday. Wind feed-in has increased and should continue to do so as we go into next week. Peak margins forecast to be very comfortable around 12 gigs. However, power prices really following that bullishness in gas this morning. In other news, if we look out a bit further onto the curve, Brent oil relatively again bullish overnight and bullish this morning, up above $58 a barrel now, and that's on the back of Saudi Arabia airstrikes in Yemen as they look to support the current government there against rebels. So that's just added again a little bit of sentiment and support into the Brent oil market. Just finally, in other news, the euro continues to strengthen against other currencies, in particular the pound, and that's just adding another element of price support. So something to keep an eye on as we go through the next couple of weeks. Okay, that's it for this morning's report. Again, headlines: short, tight gas system, lending that support to the near curve, and bullish oil, lending it a bit of support further out. Okay, have a great day. We'll see you this time tomorrow. Thanks. Goodbye.